Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ashraful Juhair from MobiWeb. MobiWeb is one of the largest mobile app developer in Bangladesh. We develop mobile application for almost all the major platforms like iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. We work with the cutting-edge technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, etc. And we have some expertise on DRM and intellectual property related technology. Our product is Boipoka. Bangla Boipoka, I would rather say. It's an ebook reader and bookstore. The app is available in Google Play Store and Apple iTunes. Boipoka is basically an ebook reader and an ebook store from where people can get many free books and some paid books, and then they can read the books with this app. This is the largest ebook marketplace for mobile device, and it's a package, complete package for reading and collecting Bengali books. These are some of the snapshots of the app. This is the reading view. Why is Boipoka? There are so many book readers in around the world, but our focus mainly is Bengali people in Bangladesh and overseas. The expatriates in Bengali expatriates do not get the text hard book. It's not available for them. So we developed this app so that they can get the books from this app. It's a huge collection, and our the main thing is we do not take the books from the internet. Like there are many pirated PDFs for the Bengali books, but we take the books from the publishers or the authors legally with a revenue plan and with an agreement, and then we format these books, optimize to our app, and then encrypt the PDF files so that nobody can share the files or nobody can pirate. And then we upload the book. Readers would get many free books through this app. The book reading view is very user friendly. There are so many book reading. There are so many options there. The benefit for the authors could reach to the foreign market also through this app, as their hard book is not that available in foreign market. So through this app they can sell their ebook version to the Bengali people all over the world, and a bigger market means better business. And they can also monitor their hour-basis sales report via our web service. They can also convert their main file to our format and publish on their publish on their own through our web service. And we have a multi-level security measures so that nobody can pirate or nobody can pirate the copyright of the book. All the books of this app are DRM protected, and through a sophisticated encryption method, there is an encryption key, and through this we can encrypt the books. Book saving and sharing options are disabled. So if anybody download a book in a device, the book cannot be shared or cannot be saved. If he wants to read the book, he has to open the app, and only from this app the book can be read. We have a device monitoring to ensure authorized access. We have secure web panel so that sales information can be seen. Through that, the sales information can be seen. There are so many features for the readers. Reader can highlight, underline the favorite lines. They can bookmark a page. They can zoom in and zoom out the fonts. There is a search option for the books. They can take notes wherever they want. They can jump on to any page to another page. They can share a glimpse of the book, also know about the book and the app. And there is a night reading view also. Our upcoming features are limiting 3 devices for each book. Every reader can, if he or she download any book, they can read that book through 3 devices. We will have some analytics also, so that the reader can know what kind of books are famous to the readers. We'll also incorporate the interactive books option, like animations, video clips, audio clips with the book. We have a web panel. We have a website also for the book, so that the readers can get the detail of the book and they choose his or her favorite book. This is the publisher's panel. Through this panel, the publisher can upload the book by themselves. This is the sales report, sample sales report. Publisher can get the sales report. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, what kind of revenue share do you have with the authors of the publishers? What percentage, and what kind of volume are you seeing in terms of paid book sales?
Some books are free and some books are paid. The paid books, we get the books from the publisher and we have a revenue model, and it varies publisher to publisher. And there are some famous writers, they get the bigger portion, and there are some newer publisher or newer writer, they get the fewer portion. So it varies according to the publisher and according to the author.
So the credit card information is stored within your app?
People can buy the book through the Google in-app purchase and iPhone in-app purchase system. We also sell the activation code also, so anybody can pay it through cash, and we will provide them the activation code for the book. And through that activation code, they can download the paid books.
So, what part of your library of books or your bookshelf that you have, what part of that is not available outside of your app in terms of being pirated? In the sense, what do you have that is exclusive that someone else can't download or pirate?
No, our focus is there are so many pirated PDF books in the websites, but our focus is we will ensure the intellectual property so that the writer or the publisher can get their deserved portion. So this is our main focus. And another thing
any
is
work that you're doing which is focused on digitization of books which are not currently available, or is it just the marketplace that you're creating?
It's available all over the world, but we are the first in Bangladesh.
My question is, are you digitizing also? Are there texts which are not digital right now, but you have, or you're helping publishers digitize those?
No, they don't have that. They have only the hard books. Now we are digitizing them.
So you are digitizing
yeah,
as well?
yeah. And we are approaching to the government so that the textbooks could be available in this book, in this application.
Has any publisher refused to associate you to?
Yes, there are so many publishers. They have a fear that their hard books sale would decline.
Go down.
Yeah.
Do you ever plan to become a publisher?
Yeah, we have a plan. But no, only ebook publisher. And we have a platform which is called Bangla Book House. And through this platform, we have already published 2 or 3 books also. And all of them are newer writers.
From the audience? Yes, please.
What do you think about other companies like Wattpad? I mean, I know only of one company like Wattpad. So, what are your views on that, and how do you compare?
No, I know about Wattpad, but we are focusing only for the Bengali readers, and all of our books are either Bengali language or written by the Bengali readers. And our target market is only the Bengali readers, and later on we will focus on the surrounding states in India, like West Bengal. There are so many Bengali.
Your
And
focus
only
is
our
going to
focus
be
is only Bengali.
regional languages.
Yes.
Yes. After Bengali and
No,
other regional languages.
probably will not go further. We will only stick on the Bengali.
What is the average price list of?
The price is not more than 50% of the hard book. Publishers fix the price, and we suggest them don't fix it not more than 50% of the hard book.
But it is also available as a second-hand copy in the market. So how it is different because you are as an online.
The second-hand
Providing.
version is only the scanned copy, so it's not looks good. But our version is we have a unique formatting system, our own format, font size. So zoom in, zoom out, underline option, annotation option, night view option. So we add value in that.
You
raw
have
file.
made
So
value, it's a good, but you haven't make their mind so that they can reduce the price list.
And another thing is our main target is the expatriates, and they don't have much time to roaming around the net and find the pirated books. So we have good response from them.
Thank you.
Thank you.